doing it. Your calling isn't something that somebody can tell you about. It's what you feel. It's part of your life force. It is something that gives you the juice, the crux, the thing just that you are supposed to do. And nobody can tell you what that is. You know it inside. Just discover it. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to address you at the one of most special occasions of your lives. It is a time when we gather to celebrate human achievement and give it its due recognition and just rewards. Your participation in today's ceremony is a signal to everyone that your academic sojourn or journey has ended and it's time for us to say farewell. You were successful in your engagement with many experiences we designed to prepare you for the leadership in your sphere of learning. Those experiences, academic or co-curricular, have empowered you to go out and serve with humility and integrity of people who are deserving beneficiaries of the better region that you can craft with your newly acquired skills and competencies. Your certification is an evidence of your fitness to participate in that critical exercise of building a healthy nation and helping those in need. You are now career ready, grounded in your discipline, articulate, committed to the ethical behavior and possession of problem solving and critical thinking skills required for nurses and mature as young adults. The rigors of the course and education process, while not always welcomed by you at those times when your intellectual and physical capacities strained from the demands of your program, have caused an extremely capable, satisfied and confident graduate to emerge from it. We know this because Salokya has never wavered in its delivery of the highest quality education to you. I know that our efforts to train you not only become great nurses but greater human beings. They have borne fruits and you will effectively handle your professional commitments. I urge you to maintain the pioneering spirit and willingness to take risks for greater and personal good throughout your career and to work in partnership with your patients. Always remain humble and grateful. Be compassionate. The class of 2010 may not have had the seniors to guide them or advise them as they pursued their studies at Salokya, but they certainly have a following. Nurses help form the backbone of the medical system. I join my administration, faculty and staff in congratulating our nursing graduates as they embark on a rewarding and challenging career serving our communities when they need you the most. The first phase of our journey has come to its destination, and I ask you to stay connected to this wonderful institution that has given you the skills and the training to be a professional. So even as I say farewell, it is fused with an invitation for you to stay connected to the Salokya, to take full advantage of the opportunities we provide to equip you to lead effectively in the changing external world. So the education is continuous. You are now about to be officially called as Salokya alumni. So you were the leaders first, you will still remain the leader. You are now our first batch of the alumni. You are our first ambassadors to the world. those Salokya nurses and make our world a better place for us and for yourself. Help the ones in need, stay true to your profession and uphold the values of a good human being. Good luck and God bless you.